Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing the difference between PFMEA and DFMEA. Let's jump right into it. What is FMEA? Before diving into the specifics of PFMEA and DFMEA, let's understand the broader concept of FMEA. FMEA stands for Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. It's a systematic approach to identify potential failures in a system or process, analyze their effects, and implement actions to reduce their occurrence and impact. PFMEA versus DFMEA. Scope and focus. PFMEA focuses on identifying and mitigating risks in the manufacturing or assembly process. DFMEA focuses on identifying and mitigating risks in the product design. Timing of application. PFMEA is typically conducted after the design phase, during the process planning and development stages. DFMEA is conducted during the design phase, before the product reaches the manufacturing stage. Stakeholders involved. PFMEA involves process engineers, production managers, and quality control teams. DFMEA involves design engineers, product developers, and reliability engineers. Outcome. PFMEA aims to improve the manufacturing process to prevent defects. DFMEA aims to enhance the product design to prevent failures and improve reliability. Similarities between PFMEA and DFMEA. Systematic approach. Both methodologies follow a structured process to identify and evaluate potential failures. Risk assessment. Both use severity, occurrence, and detection ratings to assess and prioritize risks. Preventive action. Both aim to implement preventive measures to mitigate high-priority risks. Continuous improvement. Both are iterative processes that contribute to ongoing quality and reliability improvements. The importance of PFMEA and DFMEA. Implementing PFMEA and DFMEA is critical for several reasons. Proactive risk management. By identifying potential failures early, organizations can take proactive measures to prevent defects and failures. Cost savings. Early detection and mitigation of risks can lead to significant cost savings by avoiding rework, recalls, and warranty claims. Improved product quality. Both methodologies contribute to higher product quality and reliability, enhancing customer satisfaction. Compliance and standards. Many industries require PFMEA and DFMEA as part of compliance with quality standards such as ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. Conclusion. While DFMEA and PFMEA share the same underlying principles, their specific applications differ. By understanding the distinctions between the two, organizations can effectively implement FMEA processes to achieve their quality and reliability objectives. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.